Hello! Kumusta? Welcome sa Untitled, ang space kung saan pwede kang makinig, magpahinga at baka makahanap ng konting comfort sa gitna ng araw-araw. Ako si Clover and I'm really glad na nandito ka ulit. At kung first time mo naman dito, welcome sa'yo. Sana dito mo maramdaman na hindi ka nag-iisa, lalo na kung nasa gitna ka ng pagpili. Kasi yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Choices. Yung mga desisyong minsan simple lang sa simula, pero habang tumatagal, parang biglang nagiging mabigat. Yung mga pagkakataong pinipili mo kung sino ka, kahit hindi mo pa sigurado kung tama ba. Life will always bring us to crossroads. At minsan, yung pinakamahirap na desisyon, yun yung magbabago ng lahat. Every choice comes with a story. For students, maybe you're choosing between resting and hustling, between following what you want and what's expected of you. For young professionals like me, maybe you're stuck between comfort and growth, between a stable job and dream that scares you. And for parents na nakikinig ngayon, maybe you're still learning how to balance giving everything for your family while saving a little piece of yourself. And for those starting over, maybe it's about choosing hope again. Kahit ilang beses ka nang nadapa. Different stories but the same truth. Lahat tayo may pinipiling battle araw-araw. And no matter where you are in life right now, please remember, your choices don't have to make sense to everyone as long as they make peace with you. Let's be honest. Choosing yourself doesn't always look like happiness. Minsan it looks like distance. Minsan it looks like silence. And minsan it looks like people not understanding you anymore. But that's the thing about growing. It asks you to let go of things that no longer fit the person you're becoming. Sabi nga sa isang movie, maybe our choices makes us who we are. And I think that's true. Kasi bawat oo at bawat hindi na binibitawan mo, unti-unti ka nitong binubuo. So, if right now, you're making hard choices, please know, hindi mo kailangan maging sigurado agad. You just need to be honest. Honest sa kung nasaan ka, sa kung anong kaya mo, at kung sino ka na ngayon. Ang hirap ng uncertainty, no? Yung hindi ka sigurado. Yung hindi mo alam kung tama pa ba yung choices mo sa buhay. Maybe the point of life isn't to have everything figured out. Maybe it's to keep choosing kahit uncertain. To keep walking kahit mabagal. And to keep showing up for yourself kahit walang clarity. Because one day, babalikan mo tong mga panahon na punong-puno ng tanong. And you'll realize na, ito pala yung mga sandaling unti-unti kong pinipili yung sarili kong peace. You won't always love the path you're on. Sometimes the right choice will still hurt you. Sometimes you'll have to walk away from things you prayed for. And that's okay. Kasi hindi lahat ng nag-let go, talo. Minsan yun yung paraan ng life para iligtas ka sa mga bagay na hindi na para sa'yo. And if right now you feel lost, remember, being lost is not the end. It's just life asking you to listen more closely to where your heart wants to go next. Ask yourself today, what do I really want? And am I brave enough to choose it? Hindi mo kailangan madaliin ang sagot, okay? Pero sana, pag dumating ka na sa puntong kailangan mong pumili, piliin mo yung totoo sa'yo. Yung hindi pinakamadali, pero may peace. Yung hindi pinakamaganda sa mata ng iba, pero alam mong payapa yung puso mo pag yun yung pinili mo. Ako si Clover, and here's my gentle reminder. Every road you take, every choice you make, leads you closer to the person you're meant to become. So be kind to yourself while you're figuring things out. Walang nasasayang, ha? Kasi kahit yung mga maling choices mo before, I'm sure may lesson yun. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're just in the middle of your becoming. Hanggang sa susunod na episode ng Untitled, ingat ka palagi. And please, alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. You deserve that peace.